Blackboard Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Blackboard Learning Management System Review. You'll find the relevant product links in the description below. Blackboard is one of the most widely used learning management systems, primarily designed for higher education institutions, but it's also used by K-12 schools, businesses, and government organizations for training purposes. It's known for its robust set of features that streamline the online learning experience for both instructors and students. One of Blackboard's key strengths is its comprehensive toolset. It offers everything from course creation and management to assessments, discussions, and grading, all in a single platform. Blackboard also supports multimedia content, allowing educators to create engaging interactive lessons. It features an intuitive user interface for easy navigation, even for those who are new to online learning environments. Additionally, it has built-in tools for collaboration, such as discussion boards, group assignments, and peer reviews, which enhance the learning experience. Blackboard's mobile-friendly design ensures that both instructors and students can access their courses from anywhere, making it convenient for remote learning or hybrid classrooms. The platform also integrates seamlessly with third-party tools, including video conferencing solutions, plagiarism checkers, and content repositories. This flexibility allows users to personalize their courses and workflows to fit their needs. Another major advantage of Blackboard is its analytics capabilities. The platform provides detailed insights into learner progress, engagement, and overall course effectiveness, helping instructors to tailor their teaching and improve outcomes. For administrators, Blackboard offers powerful reporting tools that track usage, performance, and institutional goals. While Blackboard excels in terms of features and scalability, its complex interface and learning curve can be a barrier for some users, especially for smaller organizations or those new to LMS platforms. Nonetheless, it's a highly scalable solution that's ideal for large institutions, offering everything you need to manage and deliver high-quality online learning. In conclusion, Blackboard is a powerful and reliable LMS, perfect for institutions that need an all-in-one solution with advanced features, scalability, and analytics. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on Blackboard and how it can support your learning or teaching goals.